This video is for me to quickly show you how to find the LCM or LCD, which we call least common multiple or least common denominator. So those are very important when you add or subtract fractions. You would need to find the least common denominator. Now, in this case, for example, if you have a fraction, a number on top plus, let's say you have 15 here. Now, as these are the denominators and you have any numerator like A or B here, whatever. I'm gonna, we're not covering fractions here, but I will be covering fractions in another video here. So this is just to show you how to find LCD and LCM, okay? Now, let's go ahead and show you how you would find the LCD here in this case for 20 and 15. I think this way is pretty easy. So you just need to find numbers, prime numbers that could divide these two numbers or just one at a time evenly. So for example, you pick 2. 2 goes into 20 10 times. 2 doesn't go into 15, and you keep moving like that. So 2 can go into 10, or if you want, you can pick 5, whatever you pick, you will still get to the answer. The thing is, we're trying to get to 1, to reduce those numbers to 1, okay, as we divide. So I'll go by 2 again. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 doesn't go into 15. Then you can't choose 2 anymore because you have 15 and 5. So some of you could just pick 5. Say you pick 5. 5 goes into 5 once, so you're done with the first number. 5 goes into 15 3 times, okay? Then you keep moving. You can't choose 5 anymore, but 3 goes into 3 once. Once you reach 1, that's it. So all you have to do is multiply the numbers. Then whatever you get is the LCD or LCM. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 3, 60. That's it. 60 is the LCD or LCM. Now, let's try another example to show you how easy it is. You see, I quickly get to the answers. I know we have different methods to solve this, but this is just one method I'm showing you, I think, which is easier for everybody to understand. So let's say you have 2 other numbers like 12 and 18, okay? Same way you do this. Choose whatever the number you want, prime number. I choose 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 18 by 2, 9. Then you could pick 2 again, because 2 can go into 6 3 times. 2 doesn't go into 9. Then we can pick 3. 3 goes into 3 once, and you know you're done here. 3 goes into 9 3 times. You can pick 3 again. 3 goes into 3 once, and you're done. So now you just multiply and get the LCD or LCM. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36. And that's it. 36 is the LCD or LCM. So this is how you get it. Now, this is for me to show you how to get the LCD, okay? Because in my next video, I'm going to show you how to add and subtract fractions, okay? Now, for fractions, if you have to add and subtract fractions, I'm going to take 2 easy examples because that's not what I'm covering here, but just to show you. If I had to add 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2, this would be pretty simple. Since the denominators are the same, so I don't need to find an LCD. I just need to keep the denominator, which is 2, and add the top, the numerators. So in this case, 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. You always reduce at the end. So that would be pretty easy to do, right? But if I have to add 1 over 2 and 2 over 3, that's something else, because I now have different denominators, so I cannot just go ahead and add. In this case, you need something called what we say the LCD. Okay. In this case here, you need to find the LCD. Okay. So that's why to get the LCD here, you got to take the denominator 2 and 3, 2 denominators. Then you do what I just said. 2 times 2 can go into 2 once, so we're done with this. Doesn't go into 3, which is 3. 3 goes into 3 once. I'm doing it this way so I can show you that, hey, this is pretty easy. You can just multiply 2 and 3 to get 6. But in other cases, it's not that easy. So that's why I keep showing you this method. In this case here, guys, what you do is just trying to get 6 in the bottom. So multiplying the bottom by 3 would give you 6. Therefore, I'll multiply the top by 3 because whatever you use for the bottom, have a use it for the top. Then same thing here, you would multiply this by 2 to get 6. Therefore, the top by 2 because we're trying to get 6 as the denominator. And both the first fraction and the second fraction, I'm going to get 6 in the denominator. And for the first one, the top will be, the numerator will be 3. 2 times 2 for the second numerator will be 4. And now you can add by just keeping the denominator as it is 6 and at the top 7. Okay, so in this case you have 7 over 6 as the final answer. This is not reducible. It's an improper fraction which you can write as a mixed number, but that's another video. So I don't have to show you everything here, but this was just to show you how important it is for you to for you to know how to find least common multiple and or least common denominator. Thank you.